Men who do not care about dating are often misunderstood. People assume they must be bitter, afraid of rejection, emotionally unavailable, or secretly unable to attract anyone. But many of these men are not fighting desire. They have simply stopped organizing their life around it. Dating no longer controls their confidence, their schedule, or the way they measure their worth. They may still notice attractive women and remain open to connection, but they do not experience romance as an emergency. So, in this video, we are going to break down the psychology of men who do not care about dating and why their detachment can come from maturity, exhaustion, ambition, or a wound they have learned to call peace. The first psychological pattern is that they no longer use romantic attention to measure their value. Many men feel successful only when women notice, desire, or choose them. A reply raises their confidence. Rejection destroys it. Being single begins to feel like evidence that something is wrong with them. Men who stop caring about dating usually separate identity from romantic approval. They understand that attraction is influenced by timing, preference, compatibility, and circumstance. A woman's interest may feel good, but it no longer functions as proof that they matter. This makes them difficult to manipulate through attention because they are not starving for it. They can enjoy being wanted without needing it to feel complete. The second pattern is that they have calculated the emotional cost of dating. Dating can involve uncertainty, mixed signals, repeated introductions, rejection, comparison, and the pressure to keep proving value. Some men eventually decide that the possible reward no longer justifies the amount of mental energy the process consumes. They become tired of analyzing replies, performing confidence, competing for attention, and rebuilding hope after another connection disappears without explanation. Their detachment may look effortless from the outside, but often it was purchased through disappointment. They do not necessarily hate dating. They simply remember how much of themselves they lost while trying to make uncertain people become certain about them. The third pattern is that they have built a life which already feels emotionally occupied. Men who do not care about dating often have routines, ambitions, friendships, interests, and private goals that demand their attention. Their evenings do not automatically feel empty because no romantic partner is present. Their future does not appear paused while they wait for someone to enter it. This matters because dating feels completely different when it is approached from abundance rather than desperation. A man with direction does not need every interaction to become a relationship. He can enjoy someone without immediately imagining a future and walk away without feeling that his entire life has returned to zero. The fourth pattern is that they value peace more than romantic possibility. Men who have experienced manipulation, emotional chaos, jealousy, or unstable relationships may become extremely protective of the calm they rebuilt afterward. They know attraction can feel exciting in the beginning, while quietly carrying confusion underneath it. So they pay attention to what a connection does to their nervous system. Does it create clarity or constant anxiety? Does communication feel mutual or strategically confusing? Does the person add warmth or only stimulation? These men would rather remain alone than exchange stability for chemistry that repeatedly leaves them emotionally exhausted. To them, being single is no longer the worst outcome. Losing peace is. The fifth pattern, and perhaps the deepest one, is that they are no longer willing to chase potential. Men who do not care about dating stop building relationships inside their imagination. They do not fall in love with who someone could become, what mixed signals might mean, or how good the connection might feel if the other person finally changed. They judge what is actually present. If effort is inconsistent, they believe the inconsistency. If communication remains vague, they stop translating it into hope. If someone likes the attention but avoids commitment, they do not treat patience as a strategy for winning them over. This can appear cold, but psychologically, it is often the result of learning that imagined relationships can consume real years. And that is why these men may appear unusually calm around attraction. They do not rush to impress. They do not treat every beautiful woman like a rare opportunity. They do not abandon their routines because someone offered temporary attention. Their calmness can make others believe they are uninterested in love, when the truth may be that they are interested only in a form of love that does not require self-abandonment. This does not mean every man who avoids dating is emotionally healthy. Some men call it peace when it is actually fear. They claim they do not care because admitting loneliness would feel humiliating. They avoid vulnerability, reject people before being evaluated, and build impossible standards so nobody can get close enough to disappoint them. Detachment can be maturity, but it can also be armor. The difference is whether the man remains capable of connection when something genuine appears. A secure man can live without dating and still remain emotionally open. He can express interest without becoming dependent on the outcome. He can risk rejection without treating it as destruction. And he can allow someone into his life without believing that intimacy automatically threatens his freedom. Men who genuinely do not care about dating are not trying to punish women, appear mysterious, or manipulate anyone into chasing them. They simply stopped treating romance as the center of masculine success. They understand that a relationship can enrich life, but it cannot replace identity, direction, emotional stability, or self-respect. And the brutal truth is this: some men stop caring about dating because they have given up on connection, but others stop caring because they finally built a life they refuse to abandon just to avoid being alone. So if this video made you realize that intelligence is less about talent and more about what you refuse to become, subscribe. Because on this channel, we break down the psychology, habits, and hidden patterns that shape the way people think, feel, and live.